Hello guys, this is Born Ignition. So in this video, I will be talking about and sharing to you guys about what is a differential axles and what are the main components and how it works. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so basically we might already know what is the differential. A differential is actually a mechanical system that splits engine torque between two drive wheels while allowing them to rotate at different speeds while turning. Okay, so why it is important? Because it enables smooth turning, and it also prevents the drivetrain stress, and it improves traction and stability. Okay, what if a car runs without a differential, and when it take a turn, what do you think is gonna happen? You can comment down below. Alright, okay, but what actually will happen is that you're gonna be having a tire wear, which is the inner and outer wheels would scrub during the turns and rapidly wearing out your tires. And you would also have a handling issue, which the vehicle would resist turning, leading to unstable steering. And it would also, of course, damaging the drivetrain. The axle and the gears will experience excessive stress and leading to failures and damaging all the components. Alright, so what's the component? What's the major component of a differential? Alright, first of all, we have the ring gear. So this ring gear, it receives power from the drive shaft via the pinion gear, and then we have a pinion gear which transmits power from the drive shaft to the ring gear. And then we have the differential case. So this differential case, it houses the internal gears and rotates with the ring gear. So inside of that, we have the spider gears, which is the planetary gears, which allows the side gears to rotate at different speeds, and the side gear, which is the sun gear, it connects to the axle shaft and delivering power to the wheels. So the axle shaft, we have the axle shaft, it transfers power from the differential to the wheels. And then we have bearings. So it supports rotational movement of the gears and shaft. And finally we have seals, which prevent the gear oil from leaking. And then we also have the lubrication oil, which is used to lubricate all the major components so that the gears will run smoothly. Alright, so how does it all works together? Okay, this is basically a power flow in a differential axles. So the power flow from the engine, and then it goes to the transmission. And from the transmission, it will go directly to the differential axle through the drive shaft. Okay, inside the differential case, the ring gear turns the differential case which holds the spider gear. So which means inside the differential case, we have this these spider gears and the sun's gear, and when you are driving straight, which is the speed is equal, right? And both of these wheels rotate at the same speeds. Okay, the spider gears do not spin, they simply just transfer power to the side gears equally. But when you are taking a turn, which you need a different speed, right? Okay, so the inner wheels gonna slow down while the outer wheels will speed up. So the spider gears rotates on their axis and allowing the side gears to spin at the different speeds. So the power distribution, the torque is always split 50 to 50. That is the limitation of open differential. But there's one of the disadvantage of this open differential type, which it has a poor traction on a slippery surface. Meaning, when you're stuck in a slippery road, it will causes the slippery wheels to rotate faster, and it will causes your vehicle to stuck and will hardly to move. So that's why a limited slip differential comes in. So the types of vehicle that uses it is the passenger car, which is sedan, hatchbacks, SUV, and light trucks and vans, or rear wheel drive vehicles, or front wheel drive vehicles. But the differential is integrated in the transaxle, meaning inside the gear box of a car. And also some heavy trucks, they use the differential axles, and some of the all-wheel drive system, it uses a center differential and axle differential. Alright, so there you go. That is some of the basic understanding of how the open differential axle work. And maybe next time or the next video we can talk about the types of differential, or how the limited differential axle work and how the locking differential axle works in the next video. So I hope that you get something out of this video. Before performing some DIY or repairing job, we need always to understand what is the differential axle really is. And so yes, thanks for watching, and I see you guys on the next video.